that was the difference with you going down and me going down. I just had to kind of lean off to the side, Gary. You had to get off and get on the side totally. I'd back off down the hill. Come back down the hill. Oh, he died.
I was down the hill most of the way without an engine.
That was pretty good trail there, huh?
Huh?
That was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah, I don't enjoy stuff like that.
No?
I don't have back brakes. All I have is fronts and I'm wearing them out real quick.
Oh, I bet you are.
I have to tighten them after every hill we hit. Every hill I did, I have to tighten my front brake. I'm losing quick. Grinding. I'm worried about my dad falling. If I fall, I'll be